Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll have a look at Sensorium. What exactly is Sensorium? Now before we continue with this video, allow me to declare that this video is not financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes and for educational purposes. So what exactly is Sensorium, right? Is the in-platform currency of Sensorium Galaxy, a social VR platform that aims to rethink the way people interact with each other and experience the arts. ERC20 Sensor token drives all the value transactions within the Sensorium Galaxy, an alternative universe that is being built in partnership with artists, producers, and entertainment companies. Sensorium Galaxy went live in H1 2021. The technology was first introduced to public in 2019 at the Electronic Entertainment Expo E3 in Los Angeles. Sensorium expects to attract over 1.8 million users by the end of 2022 who would pay for access to content exclusively with Sensor token. Now we'll go through a little bit of information about the corporation behind Sensorium. Sensorium Corporation oversees the technological and business development of Sensorium Galaxy. The corporation supplies Sensorium Galaxy with events, experiences through global content partnerships. Sensorium Management claims that technological collaboration and strategy partnerships are always directed towards the attainment of Sensorium's most relevant contributor to the virtual reality landscape to make it fully social. The Sensor token has been listed on a number of crypto exchanges. Now, unlike other main cryptocurrency, it cannot be directly purchased with fiat money, basically the dollar or the pound or the yang or the Canadian dollar. So the best way that people find to purchase this token is that you can still easily buy this coin by first buying Bitcoin from any fiat to crypto exchange and then transfer the exchange that offers to trade this coin. So that sounds simple, but what you have to understand is that Bitcoin isn't really cheap to use and it's quite slow. So I think the best way people might actually do this is buying a cheaper coin to use like XRP or the BAT token, just a much cheaper crypto to use, and then use that token to transact and to buy Sensorium token. Now, because there is a corporation behind this cryptocurrency, it means that it's in the public media quite a lot, not just any public media like Cointelegraph. Yes, Cointelegraph has spoken about it, Bitcoin is, but Yahoo Finance. There's a long list of press companies that are speaking about the Sensorium token. Bitcoin.com, MarketWatch, most of these are financial services, but overall this is only good for the Sensorium token. VR company backed by the music streaming giant Tidal has sold plans to offer an immersive environment for next generation social interaction and live performances. Now basically what this is saying is that Jay-Z's entertainment company Roc Nation buys Sensorium's metaverse crypto token. This is huge, absolutely incredible. This news was actually released in July last year, but it's still important. So Roc Nation is the firm that specializes in entertainment products, services such as talent acquisition, clothing, publishing, sport, and management. Now the company is getting involved with digital currency as Roc Nation has revealed the purchase of Sensor token, the native currency for the metaverse tethered to the Sensorium Galaxy. Now, Roc Nation's Sensor token purchase announcement last year explained that the company is taking a step forward into the future. Desiree Perez, the CEO of Roc Nation, detailed that the entertainment company wants its artists to be included in Sensorium Galaxy. Now, Sensorium Galaxy is well positioned to take the entertainment industry to the next level. Their digital metaverse has a strong focus on equality, which is exactly what we want for our intensive artist base. Sensorium Galaxy artists can benefit from global content distribution. According to the project's developers, the in-game metaverse currency called Sensor will be able to leverage for many transactions within the online world. Sensor token can purchase concert tickets, upgrade features, issue custom non-fungible tokens, and subscribe to premium content. Now, this is obviously big news in a lot of ways because Jay-Z is one of the most famous rappers of all time. So for his company to be getting involved with cryptocurrency is just a sign of what's to come in the future. Many more things to come in the future. But now it's time that we have a look at the token itself. It's currently $1.56. Quite fantastic, actually. Now, the token circulating supply is 12.2 million tokens in circulating supply. The max supply is 3,492,000,000 tokens in max supply. So that's quite fascinating, but quite interestingly is that within the last 7 days, there's been some big movements within this crypto. It went from $1.12 to as high as $1.66. So the next target for this token is the $2 target. But honestly, I'm looking far beyond that. I'm looking at $5, $10. Those are some big margins. We are long away from those numbers. Obviously, the 24 hours trading period is relatively decent. It's around 2.4, 2.5 million in a given 24 hours trading period, sometimes even over 5 million in a given 24 hours trading period. So there's clearly some potential within the Senso token, but the real question is, does it have potential to go to $5, $10? Because we're looking at this token, can it 5x, can it 10x? Those are the real questions we should be asking. If we don't ask those questions, then we're failing ourselves. Virtual currency, real utility. Sensor is the core of Sensorium Galaxy. We expect to track over 1.8 million users by the end of 2022, paying for any activities exclusively. Naturally, hopefully this token is a cheap token to use. Hopefully it is fast, and hopefully the fees are low. Because in order for people to use this currency to actually purchase whatever they want, from concert tickets to whatever clothing they want, it has to be a token that's ease of use. They have to focus on ease of use. There's one thing I do like about the Sensorium token is that they are targeting a powerful ecosystem within gaming, within the NFT world, within the metaverse, and Jay-Z as a person, as an investor, he's a really good investor. His track record is actually really impressive if you have a look at his track record. So do not underestimate Jay-Z. He knows how to choose good companies to invest in. So in a way, Jay-Z is actually investing in Senso token. Isn't that quite fantastic? So this is good to see that a rapper is actually investing in such a token, because it's a change of time. The space is changing, the crypto space is changing, the entertainment industry is changing, and the investment industry is changing. And Jay-Z, as an investor, he understands the artwork better than most rappers. He understands the value over compounding interest. Not just compounding interest, but the desire to have a desirable artwork. He understands this. Given this knowledge, he completely understands how the NFT world works. That's why he's backing a company such as Sensorium. That's why he chose to buy this company such as Sensorium, because he sees true potential in what they're doing. And so far, I do like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing because I'm getting a ecosystem vibe, and an ecosystem in today's world is the most important thing to have within anything you're building, from a brand to a crypto to a metaverse to a company. Whatever you're doing, a brand is the most important thing of all. So we have seen a huge increase in price recently, and that's really good to see. Because in the last 7 days, it's actually been as low as $1 flat. And that was actually amazing to see, because now it's basically gone up by 50% in that space of time. So if that's not impressive, I don't know what is. Now in the last month, it's actually gone down relative to where it was previously. It was actually extremely close. It was actually just above $2. And this wasn't too long ago. This was just in the month of December, towards the end of December. And before that, it's been much higher. It's actually been above $3.17. And this was actually in November, the 25th of November. How extraordinary. Now it actually went from a price of 84 cents, and this was actually in October. And it gained huge margin, huge trading gains, over 10 million in a given 24 hours trading period. This coin is backed by Jay-Z. He's one of the most famous rappers of all time. So it's going to be fascinating to keep track of this crypto and see how well it does. See if he can actually lead this company, this crypto, into doing good and great things in the future. So because this crypto has already hit $3, the question is $5, $10. Honestly, it got so close to $5, it's not even a question anymore. It's a definite, especially at this circulating supply. This is an extremely low circulating supply. Yes, there's almost 3.5 billion tokens that will be added to the circulating supply eventually, but that's gradually over time, slowly. This means that the market will be diluted, which means that the price will obviously go down for the crypto. But believe it or not, that's actually a good thing because the crypto basically gets cheaper. If you believe in this crypto long term, you want it to be cheaper when you buy. That's just the general principle. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Let me know what you think about this crypto. Does it have true potential? Thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate that. And I will see you in my next video.